VRT stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. I'm already looking at Vertiv Holdings and this is melting down. That's all I'm trying to say. Not like the wrongest way, the most bad way possible, because I'm also completely aware this is going to be kind of compromise. Right, there you go. Higher time frame chart. I understand we're inside a demand zone and this is definitely going to be like a swing type of deal. Why do I say swing type of deal in trade? It's because if there is a shift in like the right one, then I'm taking a swing trade, not only like a swing to the upside, but if there's a correct shift, intraday trades, I can just milk the more like if there is a shift, then there's nothing stopping me from just milking out a lot of long trade as well. But there's no shift, so I'll definitely continue to keep you updated. I'm not in a rush, and stay tuned. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's for your sauce.